Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Fireplaces. Once considered the heart of the house around which the family gathered, the fireplace or hearth for centuries used to be the only source of heating, and there was one in any ancient house. Still in nowadays, the fireplace embodies a timeless fascination, able to evoke special atmospheres, although it has gone through necessary transformations compared to the traditional wood fireplaces. Today's fireplaces come in a variety of options to choose from, based not only on aesthetics or size, but also on their functioning, their combustible they burn, and the kind of installation. Until the Middle Age, fireplaces were centrally positioned in the room, so to allow the heat to spread homogeneously. Around 1000 this setting caused numerous fires, some of which devastating, like in London and Lübeck, due to the houses being mainly built in wood and straw. To end these accidents, houses started being built in stone and bricks. It was then possible to move the fireplace to the wall, which were not flammable any longer, and to put one in every room for heating, but also for cooking. Wall-mounted fireplaces had some flaws too, especially related to fumes and the non-homogeneous heat irradiation. However, they stayed on the wave until the 14th century, despite some slight changes that led to the semi-built-in model that established until 1600. Only towards the end of 1700, scientific studies allowed to delve into diverse techniques and materials to increase fireplaces' efficiency and safety until we got to the modern fireplaces we know today. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. Where to locate a fireplace in the project phase? Unless you opt for a bioethanol fireplace, and especially in apartment buildings, the installation of a design fireplace is strictly bound to the availability of a chimney, which characteristics respond to precise rules. Once the chimney location is ascertained, the living area is normally the environment that best than others lends well to host a fireplace, as it is the most used room and the one where we welcome our guests. Depending on the model you opt for, fireplaces can be installed against a wall, at the center of a wall, in the corner, or, if the room size allows, central to a room, touching the floor, or even suspended to get a striking scenic effect. Double-sided or even three-sided fireplaces are elegant and of extraordinary visual impact. They are used to visually separate two areas or to zone the two spaces within a same area according to their function, dining and living area for instance. Fireplaces can also be used outdoor. Outdoor fireplaces are available in several models and allow to enjoy the outdoor areas also with low temperatures. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. An outdoor fireplace or fire pit is perfect for those who love to be outdoors even when the temperatures are low. It creates a very special atmosphere. Modern fire pit designs offer numerous options. It can be a hole in the ground with a gravel or stone edge, a concrete block fire pit, or a sophisticated design object with sculptural qualities. Shapes and materials are also varied: circle or rectangular, raised or front level. Outdoor fireplaces can be made of metal, concrete, natural stone, and the greatest advantage of fire pits is that they take relatively small space and are suitable even for small space gardens. Modern fire pit designs can be built in the table and are extremely attractive. The biggest effect of an outdoor fireplace is when it's combined with water. The contractions of those two elements, fire and water, and the possibility to combine them together in a spectacular design is very tempting. If you have a pool, you will find some awesome modern fire pit designs which will allow you to create an unforgettable garden decor. You can be sure that such a combination becomes a focal point immediately and a subject of conversation for all your friends and visitors. A modern fireplace for the garden can be the focal point in a cozy sitting area. Gather around it and your conversations will be warm and intimate. There is no danger of smoke coming out, because you can opt for a fireplace that operates with natural or propane gas. A fire pit in the garden can be used in large outdoor areas as space divider. Freestanding or portable models are especially useful as they can be moved from one place to another, and you can arrange and rearrange the sitting area depending on climate and conditions on your mood. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.